What's up, guys? It's been a while. We've had a pretty slow year for hunting, but we're in the late season. We're in Colorado, and I've got a rifle tag, so pretty stoked. Tomorrow morning is the opener. Hoping we get to see some deer. I know the area a little bit, not real well. We're gonna wake up pretty early in the morning, go travel, unload the side-by-side, and get up on the mountain bright and early. Let's go. All right, we are in the side-by-side making the climb. It is like 5:30 in the morning, and already ran into a lot of hunters, so might be a little chaotic opening morning. He's got a bunch of elk hunters in here too, but we'll give it a go. We have a buck that's a potential shooter. We're not really sure. We haven't got a good look at him. We know he's not wide, but he's really tall, and he looks like he's got great mass. So we're going to see if we can pick through those trees and get a better look at him, and maybe move in a little bit closer. Yeah, buck wasn't big enough, so we passed on him. We're gonna walk over into another ravine, see if we can kick something out. He's hearing those people talking. What do you think? He's going. Okay. I don't think he's big enough. Okay. What do you think? Can't tell. I mean, it's up to you. He's not a giant. I was ready, but I couldn't get excited. Okay. There you have it. You heard the man. He couldn't get excited. All right, Tyson's waving me over. I think he's got a buck. I'm gonna run over to him, see what he sees. He's a good 4-point. He's got good eye guards, good fronts. Definitely probably worth shooting this far into the hunt. So I'd get ready.
got him. Yep, he might be going down. Come on, go down.
Buck down, baby. All right, we got a buck down. Tomorrow we're heading home, so I think this buck I'm gonna be happy with either way. We haven't been seeing a lot of good bucks. I'm in an area where there should be decent bucks, and so our expectations and what I was planning on shooting was pretty high. But like I said, we've got one more day left, and I'm heading home. So this buck worked out, and we haven't walked up to him yet. We're gonna hike up to this hill, and we're gonna go take a look at him. All right, look at this maze we have to go up. There's so many dead aspens. It might take a minute to find it, but super stoked for my mom. About 2 days ago, she killed a buck. She's in another unit from us. My dad's with her, and they killed a phenomenal buck. She's super stoked. She's killed a couple deer in her life, but nothing like this. So she is super excited, as we all are. So congrats to my mom. She is a deer killer. But anyways, let's go look at this buck.
Seeing blood? Yeah, I see blood right here.
Or is he down there?
He's higher. See him? Heck yeah.
Go, baby. That works.
Gotta shoot him.
Huh?
Gotta shoot him on day 5.
Yeah. Tyson spotted him up and said, I think he's a shooter. Get ready. And he got it done.